Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we'll be discussing about a Google Ads case study. So the case study will be related to a bartender school. So I'm gonna discuss everything what I implemented in the campaign and how we can be successful using Google Ads for your niches. Okay. So without any further delay, let's get started. So this is their Google Ads account. Okay. So actually, this client reached out to me on December 8, 2025. His main goal was to lower the cost per leads from $27 and 66 cents. I should say more than $27 to $20. That means he wants to lower the target CPA from $27 to $20. So his initial cost per lead was $27. Bear in mind. Okay. And then I took over the account on December 9, 2025, and I took 3 months. Like I told him, give me 3 months, then I'm gonna reduce your target CPA or cost per leads from $27 to $20. Okay. So let's see uh, how I did this actually. So I'll break down everything in this video. So actually, this is their Google Ads account, and they're running Google Ads for this landing page. So you'll be surprised by seeing this landing page most probably because this one is basically designed for the mobile device, So the desktop version of this landing page is not that much attractive. I told him time and time again that it should be good for the desktop as well, but more than 85% users are from mobile devices. So that's why they are not interested to make a responsive design for desktop or tablets, whatever. Okay, so I cannot show you from the mobile device. That's why I'm showing you from the desktop. Okay, but desktop is also converting well. Perfect. So let's go to the first month. Okay, so let me show you uh, the data of November because the client has reached out to me on December. Okay, so let's see the performance of November. So you can see this account had generated 3.81K clicks on November, 652 conversions. Okay, and the cost per conversion was $27.66. Okay, as I told you, his initial target CPA was $27.66, and his main goal was to reduce it to $20, and the cost was $18K. Okay, so let's see what I did in the first month. So let's sort the date range. Actually, I worked on this account from December 9th. So let's uh, select from December 9th to December 31. Okay, and let's see what I did. So in the first month, I was able to reduce the CPA from $27.66 to $26.08. You can see over here. Okay. And if I uh, sort it, let me sort it by 9 and 31. And the spending was almost similar. So what I did in the first month actually, uh, let me break it down to you. So uh, I checked the keywords in every 2-3 days. So the strategy was for the search keyword, if a lead cost is more than $27, then I immediately post the keywords, you know. Then Another strategies we implemented was if a keyword gets 5 clicks but no conversions, then I immediately post these keywords. So you might be wondered that uh, why 5 clicks no conversion, because this account had enough data previously, and it was converting well. Like the conversion rate was around 18 to 20%. Okay, so I'm not applying 10% conversion rate formula over here. I'm assuming 20% conversion rate. So that's why 5 clicks, no conversions, then so is the keyword. So that was my strategy. In your case, it could be different. Okay. But I'm telling my strategy, for this account, because strategies might be changed uh, uh, over account to accounts. Then the next strategy I applied was checked the search term reports in each 2 to 3 days. I was using keyword sculpting in each ad group. So let me show you. Hopefully, you have known about the keyword sculpting. Okay, so actually, we had 9 to 10 campaigns. So let me say, yeah, 9 campaigns. So for example, uh, let me go to one of the campaigns. For example, this one, and keyword sculpting means in the school campaign we had 4 ad groups. This one, bartending, New York City, then ABS brand, competitors. So in the bartending ad group, I'm excluding any of the search term related to bartending, New York City, ABS brand, competitors. You know, like if a keyword is related to bartending school near me, for example, for this ad group, then if a search term comes like bartending school in the New York City, then I'm gonna uh, make this as a negative keyword, because I want only the bartending near me keyword in this ad group. So this is called keyword sculpting. So that's what I did for this account. Then I checked the device adjustment. Uh, I checked the device adjustment in every in every week, and if mobile, as I told you, the most of the users are from mobile devices, then if a mobile device is performing well, like getting more conversions and the cost per conversion is lowered, then what I did is I increased the bit adjustment for mobile devices. And if computers and tablets are not performing well, then I decreased the bit adjustment. Okay, perfect. Then I check the ads in every 7 days. Okay, so if I go to ads, so this is actually I'm not selecting any ad group. That's why it is coming like this. So I was testing 3 ads per ad group, and in every 7 days I was monitoring their performance. Like if I was measuring by uh, cost per conversion or cost per lead. So if the cost per lead is more than $25 uh, for the first month, I'm talking about. uh, so if the cost per conversion for an ad was more than 25 to $26, then I pause this ad and I create the winning one. I duplicate the winning one. Like if one is getting $22 cost per lead, then I copy this existing ad and then made some changes. Because advertising means testing, and uh, you need to test everything. So I checked the ads on every 7 days, and I pause the lower performing ads, and I duplicate the winning ads. Okay, so this is one of the strategies. Then I check assets in every 7 days. Because some assets might be disapproved, so I need to pause this, and on the basis of performance, like which assets are giving you the most number of conversions, or which assets are giving you the lower cost per lead, then I'm keeping this and pausing this. So this is the part of the optimization process, you know. Then I check bid adjustment for uh, audiences, in every 7 days. Like if audiences for age, genders, and household income. So if a certain age ranges are performing well, then I'm increasing the bid adjustment. You can see over here by 8%, and I decreased this one by 15%. You can see over here, this one, the cost per conversion is $29.71. That's why I decreased the bid adjustment by 15%. And you can see over here, this one, the cost per conversion is $17.33. That's why I increased the bid adjustment by 8%. Okay. Similarly for devices, and household incomes. Okay. And I applied the same formula for the location as well. If the cost per conversion is higher, then I'm uh, reducing the bid adjustment for certain uh, territories or certain locations. Okay, so this was the overall strategy for month one. Okay, so let's go to the month two, which was actually January. Okay, so the cost per conversion for the first month was $26.08. Okay, then let's sort it the month of January. So on January, we are able to lower the cost per conversion from $26.88 to $24.42. Almost $2. We have reduced the target CPA, and you can see the cost and conversion volume has increased. Uh, Let me show you. So December 31, the conversion was volume was 575, and on January, uh, it was increased to 674. So more than 100 conversion increased, and the cost per conversion has reduced. Okay, so the strategy is almost similar, but yeah, I made some changes, like adding keywords, keyword scouting, adding negative keywords which are not relevant to my services, then monitoring the ads on a weekly basis, assets on a weekly basis, search term reports on 2 to 3 days basis, then audience like age, gender, household incomes, device adjustments, and location on a weekly basis. So this is the part of the optimization. So this is month two. So we have reduced the target CPA from $26 to $24.42. So let's go to the third month, uh, which was actually February. Okay. So uh, this is the month three. So Uh, uh, on month three, we reduced the cost per conversion from $24.42 to $21.14. Okay, so almost now $3.50. We reduced the target CPA, and you can see the conversion volume is almost same, and the cost is almost same, because this is February, 3 to 4 days less than the January. That's why the cost is lower than the January. So on month three, we have almost achieved the we have almost achieved to lower the cost per conversion from $27.66 to $21.14. So we have decreased the cost per lead for almost $7. And let's enter into month 4, which was actually March. So you can see over here on March, which is month 4 actually, we reduced the cost per conversion to $19.20. So previous month it was $21.14. So we have reduced it to $19.20. And you can see the conversion volume has drastically changed from February. So let me sort it out. Okay, let's do it like this. So let me compare it. So let's compare March with February, uh, not January. Let me select this one actually. No. Sorry. Let me select this one. Just a minute, okay? So you can see over here, the conversion volume has increased by 266. Can you imagine? And the cost per conversion has reduced by $2.07, and the cost has increased as the volume has increased as well. Okay, perfect. So that means in the month 4 we have lowered the target CPA from $27.66 to $19.20. So the client was very happy with the performance, and uh, let let let's see this month data. So we are in the month 5, and today is 21st of April, and the cost per conversion has reduced from $19.20 to $16.70, and the conversion volume has also increased. Like we have 10 days left to end this month. So most probably we are going to achieve 1,000 conversions in this month. Okay. So that is how we have uh, we have made this campaign or this account successful by implementing all the advanced strategies. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. I was hopefully I was able to show you what I tried to show you, and yeah, if you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel and follow our page. And additionally, if you need any Google Ads services for your service based business, whether it could be a HVAC company or HR software service, then Bartender school or any child care center or any service based business or e-commerce business, if you want to run Google Ads by us, monthly basis management, day-to-day optimization by us, and once this sort of uh, performance, then you can contact us. You can directly mail us. Uh, you can call us. You can comment us on our YouTube channel, uh, and you can also call us on WhatsApp or uh, whenever or whatever you want. Okay, so yeah, hopefully we'll have a great collaboration together, and hopefully we'll be growing together. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.